Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy 20th birthday, Danny!
Yeah, 20!
Woo! Now you're a teenager! How exciting!
It's pretty cool.
Mwah, mwah, millions of kisses for you.
Yes.
We've recorded this like 20 times because we suck. And the previous one, which was brilliant, Stephanie muted the volume, so I didn't record any
I'm so
sound.
sorry.
So you would have just gotten us going, that's this. Anyway, happy birthday, and we'll see you very soon. And guess what? It like totally snowed here yesterday. It did. And make sure you talk to Jamie and Ali when they get back tomorrow. But have a fabulous day. We love you very much.
Yes.
And we can't wait to see you soon.
Happy birthday.
Alright, bye.